Well, tonight we come to you from Cafe Di Pari in New Delhi, and the big news of the day has been Aishwarya Rai and her mystery package. The damsel in distress spoke to NDTV exclusively in Jaipur and pleaded ignorance.
Firstly, as you know, I'm here in Jaipur shooting for Jodha Akbar, and this is as much news to me and my family as it is to you and the rest of the world, because this first of all came, I think, yesterday in the DNA newspaper in Bombay, which we don't even get here. So my family just told me about this, which is appeared in the papers, and they have gone ahead and printed my reaction also, or they've written Rai has said something, which I have never given. It's different news for me. I mean, one person tells me it's some kind of a, fan mail come from Netherlands, someone says from South Africa, someone says from Sweden. The figures are different. Then today a paper has said that there's an electronic item as well, and some, currency or something. So I don't know. There are different figures. We know nothing. And obviously, I'm sure the officials, the customs officials, my lawyer and my father will, the law of the land will take its course. They will all check on this and find out. And frankly, even I would like to know what this is all about, because I have totally no idea about this. In my life, I understand I'm a media personality. I understand I'm on public domain, and, you all have taken all the liberty to talk about my personal life, my professional life, my films, gossip, all that goes on. But, I think in matters like this, you too need to exercise a little more responsibility and wait to get facts. And as we all are waiting for, so am I and my family. And as soon as we get the facts, I'm sure you'll get the information. You'll be informed. I do not want to make any statements here irresponsibly, but I'm saying that we all need to know. We all want to find out what this is.
You're completely foxed about this.
Totally, completely. Imagine, one morning you open the papers and you read something. Obviously, you're going to be taken completely by surprise. That's not the way it should be. Today, I'm sure people will do all that they need to do in Bombay. Thank you. God bless.